so if you look tired, wag mo nang i-deny. Bring it to me, watch it come back. Fly, reupholstery queen, precision ng linya. Hyasia homeworks, iba ang gawa namin. Yeah, fabrics or leather, girl I got both. Clean stitch line, straight as an oath. Chair, couch, car seat, name it girl. I flip that old piece into something pearl. Office or home, ako ang bahala. Quality finish, hindi bada-bada. Every form packed, every seam on lock. Pag Hyasia, gumawa, guaranteed it's top. Comfort style, we deliver. Durable work that lasts forever. From broken down to brand new feel. Hyasia magic, girl it's real. Bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality, affordability. Hyasia homeworks, NC out of town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. Hyasia homeworks, yeah we set the tone. Yeah we set the tone. Smooth conversation, clear and usapin, zero complication. From planning the style to choosing the tone. Kasama ka sa process, hindi ka alone. Gusto mo tipid, pero classy pa rin. Sa Hyasia girl, you always win. Reasonable fee with premium skill. Every project namin sealed with will. Kahit lumang